Today we're riding at the Bird, or Snowbird.
The Bird.
We're back here with Andrew.
What up, y'all?
Brother. And his
Tanner.
brother, Tanner. It's been snowing over the last week, like a ton, so we should be able to find a few good runs up today.
I think so.
Like even the groomers are pretty fire. Look at all that. Like there's some chowder to be found. Chow's out there. More carbs. I need that chowder in the trees. Chowder in the trees.
We're gonna get some sick lines today. Yeah, let's get it, bros.
So follow me.
Which way?
See that tree?
No. Oh, right over there?
Right in there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, buddy! Woo! Go faster!
Worth it. So worth it. We're stuck on the POW once again.
Okay, you see this? Huh. It's a wonderland out here. It truly is. There you go, Dre.
Okay. Oh no. It snowed so much over the weekend. Here after the holidays, it's still super powdery. Deep as all hell. People are going home back to their homes, so they're not clogging up our resorts. It's a beautiful Sunday, Bluebird day. Let's keep shredding it. Woo! That's a cliff. Almost. I'm good. I just sent it off that. I know you did. It was sick, bro. Up in the air.
The run that's behind the lift that drops down and comes all the way down.
Okay.
This is supposed to open today too.
So Baby Thunder's where the park used to be.
They're
Right
changing it back to it. This is all going to be dedicated to park now.
We've been ripping lines, man. These lines have been crazy. There's so much powder, and I'm surprised because I feel like there's tons of people. I mean, not that many,
It's
but
because everyone stays on groomers. Everyone here.
everybody
stays
does stay on
groomers.
groomers. I see what you're doing now, buddy. Hey, which way? Send it. It's 3 o'clock now. Probably we're gonna make our way all the way up to the top again. This is gonna be the last run. We're gonna try to make it as epic as possible. We've been already hitting the most craziest power. It's been freaking awesome.
It's been nuts.
Yeah, it's been pretty sick, dude.
It's all the hidden pockets. No one's here. Everyone's gone home.
Oh yeah.
Me and him are just like, boom.
Like a penguin walk better than no one. There's so much powder. As much as we did. It was a great, amazing day at Snowbird. Freaking bluebird day at Snowbird. How could it get any better? Woo! So many red stains in my face. Ow.
I'm sorry, but this is so fun.
I got myself in a situation.
Hey, sticky situation.
I'm upside down.
Oh.
This is what we're dealing with now. Last final to the run.
Right now we're about to drop in and all that.
That's so freaking clean. Right to the car. We lost Tanner, he's not here. It's a bluebird day up Snowbird.
Snowbird, yo, where's the bird?
The bird.
Get the bird.
It was a deep day for sure. Thanks for watching though. We'll see you next time.
Peace out, y'all.
Beep!